In Nigeria and other West African countries, 1 million persons are without nationality. Some of them are without any identity as a result of conflict of laws, transfer of territory, marriage laws, and lack of birth registration. People in such situations suffer discrimination. They don't have access to health care and jobs. They cannot enroll their children in schools and are mostly at risk. Now, the Nigerian government says it will ensure the implementation of the new action plan to reduce the plight of these people.
I wish to reiterate the commitment of the leadership of the ministry to work with relevant MDAs for the domestication of the Global Action Plan treaties entered into by Nigeria as required by Chapter 1, Part 2, Section 12, Subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, for timely achievement of the goal of the National Action Plan. We must end statelessness. When I was reviewing this issue yesterday and this morning in my mind, I concluded that the real issue is that we must end statelessness. There are several reasons, and you have listened to the papers presented, why this must be so. And I wonder how human beings refuse to understand the need for this, to quit the female foreigners married to a Nigerian man or husband. It's nothing can be further from discrimination. I don't see the difference between Nigerians. So because you're a man, you can bring a non-Nigerian to be a Nigerian. If you are a woman, you are forbidden.
Several human rights instruments, including the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, Convention on the Protection of the Rights of All Migrant Workers, and the 161 UN Convention on the Reduction of Statelessness recognize the inalienable rights of every individual to acquire a nationality as a fundamental human right.
To eradicate statelessness by 2024, experts say the government must show more commitment.
Unfortunately, in Nigeria, we have identified quite a number of gaps, and that there are stateless persons even in this country. At the ECOWAS sub-regional level, all member states adopted the Abidjan Declaration in 2015, aimed at the eradication of statelessness. And this was ratified at a ministerial conference that took place in Côte d'Ivoire and endorsed by all heads of state at its summit in Ghana in May 2015. In line with the global plan of action, ECOWAS drew up its own plan of action and adopted it at its 78th ordinary session of the Council of Ministers in Monrovia, Liberia.
No one wants to be regarded as nobody. The challenges of statelessness cannot be overemphasized. Human rights abuses are on the rise. Until government fulfills its promises, life will continue to be tough for people without an identity. Punarman Benjamin, Arise News.